Hi, it's Jan from YouMakeItSimple.com. I'm in the closet today and I'm going to show you a quick and simple hack for scarf organization. Now, I used to store my scarves like this. This takes up a lot of space. It's not very organized. Things get wrinkled. I have a much better way. Let me show you how it's done. All you need for this project is a hanger. I like to use these wood hangers and a set of plastic shower curtain rings. And you can pick these up real easily at the dollar store. All you do is open up your shower curtain rings and apply all 12 of them to the hanger. Thread your scarves through the rings. And if you have a really long scarf, you might want to fold it in half and then thread it through. Just depends on how much room you have height-wise in your closet. Pretty simple. Let's go see how they look in the closet. So I have hung up all my scarves, nice and neat, less bulky than a big basket of scarves. I'm going to hang them right in this section of my closet. I'm so excited, love this method. I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, check out my other videos on organization and other DIY projects. Leave a comment in the comments below if you have any questions or if you have any great ideas. We'll see you next time.